Did you know, in card magic, you simply cannot trust anyone at all. Not even your own family, am I right? Everything just looks fair and then mama always gets the 4 kings. Unacceptable. So you gotta be watching with eagle eyes all the time to make sure that everything's 100% legit all the time. No one can ever know what cards are coming from the top next. Am I right? I fooled myself. OTHMARiUS Magic. Like and subscribe. Now, in the fantastic book Expert Card Technique Close-Up Table Magic by Jean Hougard and Frederick Bruy, we find in Chapter 7 false cards, a false card, the Gambler's false card, retaining bottom stock. I'm going to link the live jam session where I discovered this beautiful sleight of hand move for the very first time with a link running in the info cards as well down below in the info box. Have fun watching. Page 79 following, we read: this is another ruse lifted from the gaming table, which can be put to good use in many card tricks, since with it the bottom stock is retained after a genuine cut by a spectator. And that's something. However, does it really come from the gaming table? Because in order to pull this off, you need to touch both packs after the deck is initially cut into 2 portions in order to complete the cut. And this just ain't gonna fly in a real gambling situation. Imagine a heated backroom situation with life savings at stake. The cards get shuffled, the deck gets cut, and then some weirdo moves full throttle with both hands into the pack. This is going to cause some weird clicking sounds arousing from underneath the table. I'm talking about sounds like that. Yes, it really happens. I got a link for that also prepared for you guys in the info cards. Now, since I can't use this for gambling anyways, I was figuring why not straight up perform this face up, which gives reason for both hands going into the action within the motion of turning the deck around. Of course, this is where the trick is happening. The mechanics, the handling itself is a piece of cake, and that makes it such a beautiful feat. Check this out. The deck gets cut, and then when you reach out for the bottom portion to cut it to the top, what you're going to do is you're going to have a portion of cards. It can be 4, up to 6 cards, doesn't really matter. You're going to drop this down. When you're already used to the table riffle, shuffle, not a biggie at all. You just pick the cards and have some cards drop. Now the other hand comes, right? Lifting up the portion, and then you bring both together in the motion of turning around, and you performed a clean cut, a visual clean cut. However, you kept a portion of cards secure on the top. Admittingly, we got a little bit of an angle issue with this one. This is not a 360 experience the way I like it, you know, diving into the masses. Check it out. Everything from the center to the right is covered and the left ain't working. Please, this is not a political statement, just a technical one. On the other hand, this move is not too difficult. You don't have to practice this like crazy to get it working. Let me show you this with the proper grip. This is relatively easy, you know, to have a bunch of cards drop down, and then you are ready to just smuggle them here underneath the package at the table, and you got a nice gambler's false card retaining bottom stock at your fingertips. And then there are the false shuffling techniques I use in the intro performance. There is this one, I love it so much, and there is also this one. Once again, I've got everything, all the tutorials you need up and running on my channel, so please follow the links up and down and everywhere around. Now, subbity-dub and ding the dong, and you rest assured, more magical stuff is going to be uploaded very, very soon on this freaking channel. OTHMARiUS Magic. Like and subscribe.